Hey guys, Marie85. I just wanted to show you a little centerpiece I put together. I don't know what I'm going to add to the star, the triangle, but I made a candle, the top, popsicle sticks. Thanks to Van Camp. She motivates me, helps me get my mind off all the kids and relax. I was supposed to do this video a long time ago about this heavy table that we had to lift up. My sister-in-law said the people who dropped it off had used a crane, and she thought it was funny because me and my husband had to carry it up and down stairs for my sister-in-law, and then she didn't want it. So I just show you a little video of how big this table is and how heavy. It's for you, Van Camp. It's how long. It's pretty long. But that's my new project for today. I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys want to see more of how I did it? Leave a comment. Subscribe, Marie85.